Hello, what's up art lovers? I'm Nirma and in today's video we are going to do watercolor miniature artwork of watermelon. So grab your paintbrushes and colors, let's get started. Check out the specific materials required for this artwork. Kindly check the description box below. So I'm taking a random size of a watercolor sheet for this miniature artwork, and I'm loading the 00 round brush with water and giving a shape like a bowl shape, okay, so that you can get the base of the watermelon. And now I'm taking Viridian green color, slightly touching the place where I have put the water, and let the color flow. Here it goes. Okay. So I'm just making this color to get the bowl shape. Yes, here it goes. Take a very little amount of color and let it flow in the direction of the shape which you want to draw. Okay. Now I am loading again 00 round brush with the water for the upper portion of the watermelon, and I'm just doing a triangle shape. Okay, so this painting is a slice of watermelon, so I just want a triangular shape for the top of the watermelon. So now I'm taking scarlet color and just touching the side of the watermelon. See how it goes. This is what I love about watercolors, the way they just move. It's so magical. Oh, that's it. Slightly. Don't just pressurize, just take a little bit of color and just make it to flow. And we need some white parts in the middle of the watercolor too, so don't forget it. Okay, just let it flow like how it has to. So if there is excess color, just make it to go here and there with the help of a brush. Be careful that between this scarlet and the green we want a white portion there also. Okay. And here it is. Now I'm going to touch this green part of the watermelon. Just giving a darker shade for the border, and taking a bit of water, yes, so that there won't be any sharp edges on the inside. Yes, here it goes. So once again I'm taking a scarlet color and touching the top part of the watermelon. Here it goes. Wow, look at that. it just gives such a soothing, effect. Now I'm removing the hard edges of the other side of the green part, okay, by using a water by the same brush. Also the left side of the watermelon too. So that left side of the watermelon has a lighter shade, okay. Just playing around to get a proper shade. Now I am taking a very big brush, any size, to take excess water from it, and I am taking once again the 00 brush, trying to give it a proper shape, okay. Once again I am taking the green color and trying to get a proper shade. Now here it goes after drying. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm giving a shadow on the other side, that is the right side. Oops, I a bit messed up with the color of the watermelon. It was not dried that completely. So I'm just taking a water and trying to erase my mistake over there by using a big brush, okay. So for the shade, what I'm gonna do is I'm using black with more of water, okay, by not touching the right side of the watermelon. That's what the mistake which I did initially. Should be very careful, okay. If something like certain mistakes happen, immediately take a tissue paper or a bigger brush and try to remove it, as the way I did. I am darkening the green part of the watermelon on the right side. Here it goes. Again it is getting merged with the shadow which I draw, so I took the bigger brush to wipe it off. Kind of little bit I messed up. Just hold on. So until it gets dried on the other side, I'm going to give a proper shade for the green part of the watermelon. Again it is getting spread up as it has not dried that well. Let me go to the top right part. Okay, there also it's creating a bit of spread. Another side, I'm just darkening the right side of the scarlet part of watermelon. So I'm just playing around until I get the proper thing. Okay. Now it's getting into a shape a little bit. Yes. The main thing while doing watercolor is patience. Because a small mistake is quite difficult to correct anything in watercolor. So go with the lighter shades and then you go to the darker shades wherever it is necessary. So I am drawing the seeds of watermelon in black color. Okay, randomly here and there. One more seed. See to that it is quite little bit dried, otherwise what happens is that it's going to spread up, you know. That's what I said, the patience is needed. So this is after drying. I'm giving a touch to the green part of the watermelon once again. A bit of yellow color in the center part. Okay, yes, here it goes. Now it's getting into a shape. So always preserve your white part in the watercolor artwork. Because once it's gone, it's gone. So I'm giving a bit of touch here and there. A bit of touch to the shadow. Use a bit of black to the more part of a water. Okay. That shadow will give you some kind of 3D effect. So when you want a lighter shade of a color, you use more water to the color, and when you want a darker shade of a color, add less water to it. Now this is after drying. I'm satisfied with the output, so I'm signing my miniature watercolor watermelon artwork. Finally, here it is. So if you're painting along with me, pat yourself back for your wonderful journey with this beautiful watercolor artwork. Here it is, my cute little watercolor miniature watermelon artwork. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell notification to get updated. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Art Hugs and Peace. Namaste.